Alright, well, here we are, top of the stick, or so she's called. There's a little man walking. Big bright light. That's where it came from. That's what's keeping me up if I fall. And yeah, there's all the pipe that we racked back today, blacks. There's our water bin for fracking, and it's crew change. So there's the boys. Yeah, there's my little wee truck over there. Yeah. This is what I guess Alberta looks like from relatively high. Couple, maybe just over 150 feet or something. And all that casing's gotta go on the ground. My God. Alright. Over and out.